Finding the equation of a parabola from its graph. So far, we have looked at the equation of a parabola given, and the task was to plot its graph by finding first the 5 special points described earlier in this tutorial. Now, we will deal with the reverse situation, i.e. when the graph of a parabola is given and we want to find its equation. In simpler words, now we want to use the parabola graph to find the coefficients a and b, and the constant c. Again, we consider the 5 special points to extract any useful information from them regarding the coefficients and the constant of the parabola. Let's explain this point through an example. Example. Find the equation of the parabola shown by the graph. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. We can easily identify all the 5 special points we have discussed in theory. It is not necessary to find all of them, but we will find as many as needed. Thus, the coordinates of points A and B, which represent the x-intercepts of the graph, are A, 1, 0, and B, 2, 0. Therefore, the x-coordinate of the vertex V, given the segment midpoint formula, we have the following shown on screen. From here, we can write the following shown on screen. From the graph, we can also see that the y-intercept is at c, 0, 2. Therefore, we have c equals 2, as the y-coordinate of the y-intercept is equal to the constant c. So far we have only partially identified the equation of the parabola, as the coefficient is still unknown. We have the following shown on screen. We can find this coefficient by substituting the coordinates of any of the point identified so far, for example of point A, in the equation. Thus, for x equals 1 and y equals 0, we have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the equation of the parabola shown in the figure, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 15.1.6, and the end of tutorial 15.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 15.2, Introduction to Quadratic Graphs Part 2. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.